Hi, this is your 8-month post-op video, and this month I'd really like to focus on alcohol consumption. Now, most physicians and healthcare professionals will generally recommend avoiding alcohol after surgery, and there's really a few different reasons for that. The first off being that alcohol is just high in calories, and so the more you drink, obviously it's not as high in vitamins, minerals, protein, all those nutrients your body really needs. And so essentially you're getting a lot of empty calories, which can put you at risk for weight regain. Another reason we tend to really recommend avoiding alcohol is that people tend to notice the effects of alcohol a lot faster after surgery. So essentially they can get drunk much faster. For some people that may be a benefit, but really it can be very, very dangerous. Another reason is that after surgery, sometimes people will feel normal after drinking maybe a beer or 2 beers or some other kind of drink, but they'll actually experience a higher blood alcohol content. So you could kind of get in your car to drive home and think you're completely fine because normally you'd be able to drink, 1 or 2 drinks and be fine. But actually now you're sort of over that legal limit, which again can have other ramifications, in the law system. So another risk is that regular alcohol consumption can also put you at greater risk for ulcer formation. And we know from research that individuals that have had some type of weight loss procedure are at higher risk for developing alcoholism. And now there's some debate as to why exactly that is, if it's sort of a transfer of addiction or whatnot. But we do know that that is out there. And so just some things to really be aware of and to be cautious about. If you do decide to occasionally have alcohol, obviously do so in moderation. The recommendations are 1 to 2 drinks for men, typically 1 drink for females. For women, it's also important to try to have a little bit of food in your stomach. That can help slow the absorption of alcohol and make you or help you not to have as many negative side effects. It's obviously really important too to always have some friends and family that can kind of watch you, be there with you, make sure that you're okay, and obviously always have a safe and sober driver. The next thing I'd really like to kind of focus on is the power of the mind after surgery, and particularly kind of as it pertains to meditation and really kind of harnessing that internal strength for long-term weight loss and weight maintenance and be able to stay at a weight that you're really happy with. Now, I talk a lot about, mindful eating and intuitive eating after surgery on our Facebook page and in some of these, post-op emails that you may have received, and obviously in some of these videos. And there's a reason for that, and it's because I've really seen over the last 15 years the power that the mind has with not just eating healthy, but with weight loss and with bariatric surgery. And so many of us that have had surgery really suffer from maybe anxiety or depression, or have had some sort of trauma. And being able to use the power of our own mind can really have such a positive effect long-term on yourself, and really being able to maintain a weight that you're happy with ultimately, whatever that may be. And meditation, yoga, any of these kinds of things are sometimes topics that people really shy away from, or as soon as I say them, they kind of shut it down, and I get it. That's honestly how I used to be. But the more that I've learned about the strength of the mind, about the power of meditation, and helping people be able to control their decisions, or to have that power to observe things and maybe not immediately react, can really transfer well to staying at a healthy weight as well. So some food for thought, literally and kind of figuratively there. Something to look into. We have some different resources on the Facebook page, or if you have any questions, feel free to always post there, or you can send myself a private message as well. So do you have a meditation practice If so, how do you feel that it helps or maybe benefits your life in some way? Please comment in the section below and remember to like and share this video.